Today we are going to fix the problem that you are facing. You have faster internet but slow download speed. To fix this problem, I have a solution. Check my video description for this modern download manager. Select the download for Windows option. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the application and select OK and select accept and select next. Select next. Create a desktop shortcut if you want, you can create and then select install. Once installation done, select finish option and the same downloads you downloading in Chrome. You can just copy this download link or you can copy this download option download link, copy link address and then go back to the same application, click on the create task, paste the link, it will automatically detect. If not, then you can manually paste it and then select the folder icon and select the location where you want to save this downloading file and select folder and select confirm to start download. And this is the file right now I'm just trying to download. Select the download option and it started downloading. And now you can able to pause the download and the download speed is increased much more better. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.